With hundreds of visitors expected for the Yuletide season, the Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency, PICA, has installed new machines at the Sangster International Airport. But will it improve efficiency? Anthony Lugg has more in this primetime news follow-up.
Travelers using the Sangster International Airport in St. James have been demanding that something be done to reduce long waiting times and delays. With news of record tourist arrivals this winter season, the Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency PICA has installed 6 e-gates at the airport, which is expected to improve processing time significantly.
Part of the Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency effort to both enhance travel facilitation and improve the security of our borders.
E-gates are self-service barriers used at airports worldwide, which uses data stored in passports along with a photo or fingerprint taken at the time of entering to verify the passport holder's identity. After the verification is complete, a physical barrier such as a gate or turnstile opens to permit passage. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett, during a tour at the airport on Friday, welcomed the move while noting that it's timely.
Jamaica is now one of the few destinations in the entire Caribbean area that has facial recognition and an e-gate system.
Despite the excitement surrounding the installation of the e-gates, there's still skepticism. The introduction of the electronic C5 form in September was expected to reduce waiting times, but little has changed. So, will the authorities get it right this time? This was Chief Executive Officer of PICA, Andrew Winter, on Friday.
We have to really thank all the persons and the stakeholders who have helped us to reach this point, and it is based on the feedback and the contribution that they have made, which has guided us to make the right decisions and to continue to work at finding solutions that will ensure that Jamaica becomes a destination of choice.
We know that the immediate post-COVID period has been challenging because the result of everybody's effort has caused a bumper response from the visitors to Jamaica. We're excited about that, but we want to make sure that creature comfort is maintained throughout.
Meanwhile, PICA says e-gates will also be installed at the Norman Manley International Airport in the coming days. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.